Hello everyone, welcome to Dandan Chinese. I'm Dandan. So today's our Chinese character lesson. We're gonna learn this character. 不 不 不 Let's see what's this character originally like. It's like this. So, can you guess the meaning of this character? It means step and pace. Okay, it's time for us to writing. So, can you prepare your pen and a piece of paper so we can write it together? We're gonna write this character for 3 times. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so there are 7 strokes in this character. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now you can practice by yourself after our class. Okay, let's see how to remember this character. So this character actually have 2 parts, up and down. Like this. It's just like 2 foot, left foot and right foot. So it kind of, you can relate it to its meaning. It means step and pace. And then it changed like this. It's still like the bird's claw. And then it changed. So this time, it kind of like the traditional Chinese character. Now, this is the simplified Chinese character. Okay, now let's learn some down-to-earth Chinese. This is a 4-character idiom. So we all know Chinese have lots of idioms, even though your Chinese level is not that high, but you can still use some idiom. So everybody will say like, wow, your Chinese is awesome. So this idiom we use a lot. 寸步难移寸步难移寸步难移寸 means inch, and 步 means step, pace. 难 means hard, difficult, and 移 means to move. So literally translate is inch step is hard to move. Okay, this is our homework today. So look at the picture and try to make a sentence. So the picture here is the Great Wall. In Chinese is 长城. 长城. So you know, the Golden Week in China is like lots of people. So can you make a sentence with 寸步难移 based on this picture? You can leave your answer in the comment, and I will tell you if your answer is right or wrong. So see you next time. Bye!